Greetings, my name is Syed Asif Hassan. Having studied in Jamia for 5 years, leaving in 1989 with my MSW degree, I had a wonderful time in Jamia and still have contact with a few friends from those days. As a student living on campus, there are many beautiful memories to cherish, including, by the way, those romantic ones. Jamia definitely prepared me for my professional life ahead, and it was a real privilege to have been taught by some of the nation's acclaimed academics. Here in Melbourne, I've been working with the Department of Health and Human Services for the past 27 years. I'm so delighted to belong to the Jamia alumni fraternity. I do hope we can come together at some stage to celebrate Jamia's centenary with a lot of festivities. May Jamia's glory continue for many centuries to come. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Akhtar Shamim and I completed a Bachelor of Mechanical Engineering from Jamia Millia Islamia in 1992. I came to Australia in 2000 and completed Masters of Information Technology from Swinburne University. I am in Melbourne and I have been working in Department of Education, Government of Victoria since 2005. I thank all my teachers, warden and office staff for their dedication, hard work and support on this special occasion marking 100 years of Jamia Millia Islamia. Thanks.
Hi everyone, my name is Intaj Khan. I have completed Diploma of Electrical Engineering in 1998 and come to Australia on a student visa. I'm today running my business in land development and education business. I would like to say thank you for giving the all support I received from Jamia Islamia during my education life. And I'm proud to be Jamia Islamia alumni. And I wish all the best, all those people who've been involved in celebrating 100 years.
Hi everyone, my name is Yasmin Siddiqui. I did my PG Diploma in Human Rights from Jamia Millia Islamia, 1999 batch. I'm a marketing professional working as a brand and project manager for a Melbourne-based food and beverage business. It's my privilege to be a part of this prestigious university. Today is a proud moment for all of us. We are all here to celebrate the 100th birthday of Jamia Millia Islamia and to recognize this momentous milestone. Congratulations to all. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Amir Khwaja. I did my civil engineering from Jamia Millia Islamia and lived in SRK hostel. I'm very proud to do my engineering from Jamia and lived in SRK. Currently, I live in Melbourne, Australia and into real estate and property development business. Many congratulations to all of us and very proud to celebrate 100 years of Jamia Millia Islamia. Thank you.
Hello friends, Saad Rashid with you. I'm a Jamia alumni of 2008. I'm Bachelor of Electronics and Communication Engineering, currently based in Sydney and working as an IT consultant with one of the financial organizations. On this special day, heartiest congratulations to us all as Jamia hits a century. Wishing Jamia all the very success in the years to come and proud to be a part of it. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Tarannum from Sydney. I did schooling and sociology honors in 2001. I lived in Jamia Girls Hostel during my studies. I want to congratulate all alumni and current students for the 100 years anniversary and to be number one uni in India. And at last, I am proud to be a Jamia ex-student. I miss you Jamia, I love you Jamia. Thank you and stay safe.
Assalamu alaikum, I am Bilal Ali Khan. I am a Jamia alumnus currently based in Sydney. I am a 2007 batch pass out from the prestigious Jamia Engineering College. I feel very fortunate to have been part of Jamia Engineering College and I am really delighted to see Jamia complete its 100 years. I congratulate Jamia and wish that it completes many more milestones.
आप सभी को मेरा प्यार भरा नमस्कार। मेरा नाम है गौरव खई और मैं जामिया 2007 यानी 2007 बीटेक इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स एंड कम्युनिकेशन का पास आउट हूँ। मेरी पैदाइश दिल्ली की है और आज की डेट में मैं मेलबर्न में हूँ और पिछले 12-13 साल से मैंने बहुत सारी कंपनीज एंड जगहों पे जाके काम किया है एंड इसका श्रेय मैं सबसे ज़्यादा जामिया को देना चाहूँगा बिकॉज उसकी बदौलत मुझे आज जो तरक्की मिल रही है वो ना मिल पाती शायद।
My name is Jahangir and I did my schooling and higher education from Jamia Millia Islamia and I passed out as a law graduate in 1993. I'm living in Sydney for more than 20 years. I congratulate to all Jamiites on this 100th years anniversary of Jamia Millia Islamia.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Uzma Ahmed. I have had a long association with Jamia Millia Islamia, a journey that began with Jamia Senior Secondary School and continued till MA Sociology. I moved to Melbourne in 2013 and currently working with Department of Education Victoria since 2015. I would like to extend my heartiest congratulations to my alma mater on its 100th anniversary.
Hello friends, I'm Rashid Siddiqui, a Jamia alumnus from 2005 batch. As a graduate in Electronics and Communication Engineering from Faculty of Engineering and Technology, Jamia Millia Islamia, I'm working in the field of information technology, cyber defense and information security. I congratulate all of us for celebrating this 100 years journey of Jamia Millia Islamia, and I hope to continue the legacy of Jamia excellence wherever we go. Assalamu alaikum and many congratulations.
Saad Ahmed. I've been associated with Jamia since the time I was born. My father was a professor at Jamia, my mother was a teacher at Jamia. I've done my engineering in 99 from Jamia Millia Islamia. I am based out of Melbourne and I'm working with Nokia as a solutions architect. I would like to congratulate everyone on the centenary year of Jamia. इस मौके पे हमें बानियाने जामिया को भी याद रखना चाहिए और उनके लिए दुआ करनी चाहिए। उन्हीं की बदौलत जामिया इस मकाम पे है।
Assalamu alaikum. I'm Sajjad Zahir, passed out from Jamia in New Millennium, that is the year 2000. I did my schooling in civil engineering from Jamia. I migrated to Australia 4 years back and became the part of wonderful alumni group, which is a well-organized incorporated association now. We all are indebted to Jamia for enlightenment and all the success we've achieved in our lives. We are blessed indeed. We are lucky to have this opportunity to celebrate the glorious 100 years of Jamia. This is indeed a moment of joy and pride for the entire Jamia community. I wish to congratulate all of Jamia community across the globe on this proud 100th anniversary of our Jamia. I pray more success to our alma mater. Long live Jamia.
Hello everyone. My name is Fazahat Ali Khan and I am from Sydney, Australia. It was my privilege to be part of Jamia when I completed my Bachelor of Business Studies in 2001. Since then, I studied further in management and accounting, and now I'm working as a systems accountant, specializing in projects and integrations. My best wishes to all the alumni, current teachers, staff and students of Jamia on the first centenary of Jamia Islamia. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum to all my dear Jamiites. I, Faz, of the 2016 batch of engineering, on behalf of all my fellow batchmates from across the world, would like to extend my vote of thanks to our esteemed alma mater for instilling in us values that have helped us in more ways than imaginable, and feel proud in congratulating Jamia on completing 100 years as one of the most esteemed universities in India.
Hello everyone. Firstly, congratulations on the centenary celebration of our great alma mater. My name is Sohaib Khalid. I did my BCA from Jamia and I completed in the year 2000. I work as a senior sales director with Infosys in Australia. Seeing the impact that Jamia and Jamiites are having on the world around us makes me even more proud of my association with this great institution. I congratulate all of you and wish you all the best.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Iram Siddiqui and I did my Masters in International Business back in 2008. At present, I'm working as a primary trained teacher in the Department of Education. I would like to congratulate all the past and present students on the completion of 100 years into growing, as well as getting into the list of top 10 university in 2020. I wish all the students of this reputable university to excel in every walk of life in India as well as in abroad. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मैं शहाब फैसल सैयद। हमारी तालीम भी जामिया मिलिया इस्लामिया की है और हम मेलबर्न में रहते हैं। और सब जामिया वालों को जामिया का 7 साल बहुत बहुत मुबारक।
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, मेरा नाम सुमैया है। मैं भी जामिया की स्टूडेंट रही हूँ। मैंने वहाँ से ग्रेजुएशन कंप्लीट करा है। इंशाल्लाह लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू सी यू ऑल। अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. I am Wajib Ali. I am a Jamia alumni. I did my schooling and college from Jamia. I do business of land development, real estate and education in Australia. I'm a present member of Legislative Assembly in Rajasthan, member of Congress Party. I would like to congratulate all of us for Jamia's 100-year journey in serving ilm and education to the people. I also would like to thank Jamia Alumni Australian Chapter for doing this wonderful event here and giving us a great presence. Well done, guys. Thank you and good luck for the future.
This is Zia Ahmed. I'm the editor-in-chief of the Australasian Muslim Times, AMUST. I had my primary school education at Jamia Millia Islamia from 1957 to 1961, from year 1 to 4. And then I went to Kashmir, where my father was professor of mechanical engineering. And then we migrated to Australia in 1971. And now we have been living in Australia for about almost 50 years. And I was educated at Aligarh Muslim University as well, and then at UTS in Sydney, and worked at the University of Sydney for more than 40 years. I have got very fond memories of Jamia, how nice and clean and hospitable and friendly people were there. And we used to live in Dampu for a few months as well. And I'm very much proud of Jamia now. It has become one of the top central universities, and especially the way it led the anti-CA movement at Shaheen Bagh, that makes me proud. And I've been meeting some high achievers from Jamia online as well as in Sydney. And so I'm a very proud alumni of Jamia Millia Islamia in New Delhi. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Nazish Padma and I am an alumnus of the Jamia University. I did my Bachelor's in Science and my Master's in Mass Communication from the prestigious Mass Communication Research Center in 2006. From there on, I worked in news channels like NETV and Lamsipha. I have been settled in Australia now for the past 10 years. I have worked here as a media professional and a content creator. I am really proud of my association with Jamia, and I really cherish the experience I have had there. The training, the guidance and the professional expertise I have received there is second to none. In the end, I would like to extend my wishes to fellow Jamians across the globe for the 100th anniversary, and I would also like to congratulate Jamia for securing the top spot among central universities in India in 2020. Thank you.
Hi there. I'm Dr. Vikrant Kishore, an alumnus of Jamia Millia Islamia 1996-98 batch. I did Masters of Mass Communication from the prestigious AJK Mass Communication Research Center. I am an academic, filmmaker, photographer, author, and a journalist. Currently, I'm working at Deakin University in Melbourne as the post director for film, television, and animation. I have always been proud of my association with Jamia, the education that I received, the kind of positive and vibrant atmosphere it had, with a focus on collaboration, independent thinking, and motivating towards achieving one's goal. It is great to see so many of us from Jamia here in Australia and to connect with them. We not only gather together as Jamiaites today, but also as proud citizens straddling the two worlds of Australia and India, who are not afraid to take on the challenges that are posed and to help each other as and when needed. I bow to my alma mater and salute for its 100 years celebration. Thank you.